In this edition of How to AcroSketch, we're going to walk through how you can design cutouts into your custom mat using the Cutout tool. First, design the shape and size of your mat. Once you have those measurements nailed down, go up along the toolbar and select Cutout. A tip here is to also select Settings and click Magnetic Snap. This will snap your cursor to the closest grid line for easier designing and to ensure straight lines. If you want the space between each grid line to be smaller or larger than 12 inches, you can adjust the grid size slider. Next, find on your mat where you want to cut out and begin to design. Your first pass doesn't have to be perfect because after you have the shape of your cutout, you can go to Settings, uncheck Magnetic Snap, and drag the borders to the exact inch that you need. You'll notice this also allows you to move the cutout around on your mat. Another way to adjust the shape and size of your cutout is by clicking on a border, entering the measurements in the X and Y axes, or by dragging the length up and down using this slider. Now if you do nothing else from here, the borders of your cutout will be straight edges. This makes sense if you're wrapping around a square column and you want the mat to slide directly up against it. If you do want an on and off ramp, say for example you have a cart in the middle here that needs to roll on and off, or you have foot traffic that passes through your cutout, you can add beveled edges by clicking on each border and selecting either the 20-degree yellow bevel option or 30-degree black bevel option. For this example, let's say there's a large cart in the middle of the cutout that needs to roll on and off the mat, so we're going to select the 20-degree yellow border option on all four sides. And that's how you use the Cutout tool.